whole country that this House takes its work seriously. If there are doubts out there that this is a House that is made of noble men and women, then that doubt has been eroded this evening for the last 2 days. And I therefore think it was then prudent for the drafters of our Constitution to think of creating a House of such high repute. A House that has been called upon to offer oversight over the performance of the county governments. Had it not been for this House, I assure you, honorable senators, that the ordeals that the people of Kenya would have suffered out there would be enormous and untold for. It was then prudent and wise that the drafters of the Constitution gave the singular role of oversight to this House and told this House that your oversight will not only be limited to how the resources of the county must or will be spent. The oversight was granted unto you, members of the Senate, and extend to seeing to the effect that Article 10 has been implemented. That is a question of integrity. It calls upon you, honorable senators, to look at the conduct of the people working in the county assemblies. It calls upon you, honorable senators, to see to it that Chapter 6 of the Constitution has been implemented as it is. Chapter 6 of the Constitution presupposes a scenario of the Caesar's wife, that the people working in the county governments must